Having fun today. I'm just over 7 months out from my amputation. Yay! And I'm wearing my new socket thanks to Martin Bionics. Thanks guys, Jay and Sean and everybody. I love my socket, and what's cool is I actually got a Runway foot, a very cool kind of foot, and I actually use a hex key in here that goes down that I can articulate the height, which it makes me feel a little bit more flexible with my heel height for my shoes. And most women, you know, do talk about changing shoes. I get to talk about changing shoes and changing feet. And this is actually my favorite foot that I wear. And it's a Proflex XC. It's got some shock absorption in here. Love, love, love. I also have another foot called a Maverick foot. So I'm pretty spoiled with having 3 different prosthetic feet. But what is nice is this just feels so much more summery than what I had before. So I'm having fun with it. I hope you're enjoying this as well. But life as an amputee, and in my case, it's actually pretty rockin' awesome.